How to not end calls with power button on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can not end calls with power button on iPhone. So if you are on a phone call with someone and you accidentally press the side button, it will end the call. But if you don't want that to happen, this is what you can do. Open up your settings on your iPhone. Once you are on your settings, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Then under Physical and Motor, you can find the option of Touch. Simply tap on that. Now scroll down a bit. Now here is the option where it says Prevent Lock to End Call. So if you toggle this on, it prevents the power button or the side button from ending the call. So we need to turn that toggle on. It is off by default, so whenever we are on the phone call next time, and if you press that side button, it will just lock the phone without ending that call. So that is how you can not end calls with power button on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.